Are you ready to level up your skill? Hi, I'm Abraham from Simpli SkillSync Lab, your go-to channel for complex topics made simple. From expert tutorials to clear step-by-step guides, we break down complicated subjects into easy-to-follow lessons. Join thousands who have transformed their learning process. Whether you are looking to improve your career skills or dive into new hobbies, we are here to help you succeed. Subscribe now to Simpli SkillSync Lab on YouTube channel and start mastering your skills today.